Cybersecurity attacks are evolving at an alarming rate. Just last month, a major corporation fell victim to a ransomware attack, crippling their operations and exposing sensitive data. This isn't just a tech issue, it's a wake up call for all of us. Sophistication in cybersecurity and information security refers to the growing complexity and advancement in both the tactics used by cyber attackers and the defense mechanisms employed to combat these threats. Over time, both attackers and defenders have evolved in response to emerging technologies, new attack vectors, and an increasing volume of sensitive data that needs protection. Evolving attack techniques include advanced persistent threats, APTs, which are typically state sponsored or highly skilled criminal groups that infiltrate a network, stay hidden, and exfiltrate data or cause damage gradually. These attacks employ tactics like social engineering, zero day vulnerabilities, and strategic targeting to avoid detection for months or years. AI-powered attacks are now being utilized by attackers who use artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to automate and enhance the effectiveness of cyber attacks. This is especially concerning for phishing campaigns, where AI-generated messages can be much more convincing. Weaponized zero-day exploits are increasingly targeted in attacks, exploiting undiscovered or unpatched flaws in software before a patch is made available to the public. Ransomware has evolved with double extortion tactics, where attackers encrypt data and exfiltrate it, threatening to release sensitive information unless a ransom is paid. Defensive advancements in cybersecurity include behavioral analytics, which detects anomalies in user and network behavior using AI and machine learning to establish a baseline of normal activity. Zero Trust architecture assumes that no entity should be trusted by default, continuously verifying authentication and authorization. Extended Detection and Response (XDR) incorporates multiple security layers into a unified platform, enabling more effective detection and response to threats. Threat intelligence sharing involves collaboration across organizations to stay ahead of attackers by sharing information on tactics, techniques, and procedures. Security Automation and Orchestration (SOA) solutions enable security teams to automatically detect, assess, and respond to incidents, significantly reducing response times. Advanced cryptography and quantum-resistant algorithms are being developed as quantum computing advances. Post-quantum cryptography aims to protect sensitive data against future quantum-powered decryption. Homomorphic encryption allows computations to be performed on encrypted data without decrypting it, preserving privacy while enabling analysis. Sophisticated malware and exploits include polymorphic and metamorphic malware, which adapt and change their appearance to avoid detection. Fileless malware exploits system vulnerabilities to gain control without leaving traces on the disk. Advanced botnets have evolved into decentralized networks of compromised devices used for various attacks. Sophistication in social engineering includes deepfake technology, which cybercriminals use for convincing social engineering attacks, and spear phishing with customization, where attackers craft highly tailored phishing emails using social media profiles and advanced AI tools. Cybersecurity and information security in critical infrastructure face threats against industrial control systems, ICS, and SCADA systems, where attackers can manipulate physical equipment via cyber attacks. Cloud security challenges arise from misconfigurations and insecure APIs, leading to targeted attacks on cloud infrastructure. Integrated cybersecurity frameworks like the Security Development Life Cycle (SDL) and DevSecOps integrate security into every stage of the software development process, reducing vulnerabilities and making security an integral part of development. The sophistication in cybersecurity and information security is not just in advanced technology, but also in the increasingly adaptive and intelligent nature of both threats and defenses. Attackers have become more creative and effective, while defenders are adopting advanced technologies to stay one step ahead. To combat this growing complexity, organizations must continuously innovate, invest in training, and stay informed about emerging threats and technologies. Staying informed is key. Follow cybersecurity news to understand emerging threats. By taking these steps, we can all contribute to a safer digital environment.